All right, I will go. Let's see. Okay, cool. So I've been trying to demo this for a little bit, but every time I think of like a scenario or a situation where I can actually show what's happening, I get a little confused. So we'll go with this for now, products table. Um, Basically, let's say I'm grouping by category, brand, retail price, and distribution center. And I want to aggregate over distribution, or sorry, the retail price, but I want to always group by the distribution center for some reason. Like I want to take the max retail price and distribution centers always in the grouping, but maybe not selected. So remove distribution center. What we've added is calling it multi-level aggregation, but it could also be like custom group by or something like that. Um, Click on that, max. So I'm taking the retail price with the max of retail price, and I'm always going to group by the distribution center. Um, Add that. And under the hood, it's using Omni dimensionalize. Um, Remove. And now I have this dimension that is the max retail price by distribution center. That takes the grouping context of like the outer query and then applies the additional grouping that you've specified. And you can like aggregate over that as well, take the sum. But then it's also modeled. So if I go to the definition, this new little model parameter group by that's on the dimension, you give it an aggregate type, and then you can choose other fields that you always want to group by. You can also choose fields that you don't want to group by, so always exclude. And then later we'll eventually add fixed, so fields that are, let's say you just want like a grouping context that's always the same, that doesn't pay attention to the outer query. We'll support that as well. So, and this is coming from customer requests. I wanted to like group by certain keys that they're meaningful, but they don't actually want to display it in the results. So yeah, I think there's going to be a lot more stuff related to that, but that's a start. And let's see. And basically that's level of detail in Tableau. That's what we're trying to do, but I don't know if that's like a copyrighted term or if there's some like.
Yeah, I mean that's a good call out just for folks on the GTM side to know when that is asked for. This is what they're talking about.
And other tools don't do it really aside from Tableau. It's super clunky. So that's huge, TJ.
Yeah, and honestly, this is more elegant than the Tableau version of it, in my opinion.